guys, this is Amia. In short, Marikit and Mia. So tara, magkakanta tayo ng 1,000 years. Isang kanta lang to, promise.
Napakasaya ko talaga. Tatay.
Colors and proud. How to be brave. How can I love when I'm afraid to fall? But watching me stand alone, all my doubt suddenly goes away somehow. One step closer. I have died every day waiting for you. Darling, don't be afraid. I love you for 1,000 years. Love you for 1,000 more. So guys, galing natin to kasi stand still. Beauty in all she is. I will be brave. How can I let anything take away? Standing in front of me, every breath, every hour has come to this. One step closer. I have died every day waiting for you. Darling, don't be afraid. I love you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000 more. Yun lang pala siya, guys. Kasi hindi ko na siya makanta ng buo. So, yun lang, guys. Okay? Mag-outro na kaya tayo, guys, para mas mabilis na. Tara. Hindi! Okay, tara na. So, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to spread love, positivity, and good vibes. So, bye, guys. That's all. Bye-bye.
Ako ang